Hi, my name is Chris Phillips. I deliver the cupping course here at the Cotswold Academy. And I want to introduce the course. Maybe you're thinking about why do I need to do a cupping course? And maybe just firstly explain what cupping does, and then the applications and why we teach it here at the Academy. So the first thing to think about is why would you want to cup somebody? Often at the beginning of the course when we discuss this, it's about those clients that you've seen fairly regularly maybe, and their tissue isn't releasing. An example would be down the back of the spine, those erector spinae group. You're massaging them, you're looking at them, you're massaging, you're doing your deep tissue work, but still they come back 2 or 3 weeks later and the tissue is still feel quite solid and hard, and there isn't much movement in that fixed tissue. So the idea of cupping, where you literally kind of suck on top of the tissue, lifting and separating the tissue perpendicularly rather than our normal techniques or long fibres. This is actually lifting and separating the layers of fascia and skin, creating an increase of blood flow, reducing adhesions, that stickiness between the fibres. That's what we're trying to achieve here when we're lifting the tissue with cups. I think the key bit I try and bring into the classroom as well as just lifting cups, it's really nice to get movement involved with that too. So if you're a sports therapist and you're doing level 4, using muscle energy technique works really well as well. If you're a holistic therapist, being aromatherapy or holistic massage, cupping works well too for those people with really tight, solid shoulders, upper tract that is just fixed. The use of cups with the client maybe moving as well really starts to break down those adhesions, that tight, fixed tissue that our job is all about. Getting movement back in our clients so they can feel in control of things rather than feeling solid and locked up. So that's what you're going to get when you come and do the cupping course with us. It's a day workshop, and yeah, come with me, just come and have a go, and I look forward to meeting you.